Ladies and gentlemen, Carmine Sabia here for Explain America, and we have late breaking news in the Donald Trump case being spearheaded by Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg. The judge has made really an earth-shattering decision here that could potentially see the former president in prison really quickly, unfortunately. Before we get started, I want to ask you to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Those things are really, really important to the channel and help us continue to grow. So please, we do appreciate you guys doing that. Folks, what happened is Judge Marchand has pretty much sided with almost all of the requests made by DA Alvin Bragg and his team to impose what is essentially a gag order on the former president. And it is a big deal, and I'm going to get to in a little while how it could land him in jail. So the judge said that certain information could be disseminated to the former president. Okay, fine. And as it comes to his defense team, some of that information could be disseminated to him. Okay, fine. But there is restrictions on what Trump can see, and the defense team, that's Trump's team, has to get permission from the court before they can show him most things. Also, Trump is only allowed to view those things with his attorneys present. He is not allowed to take pictures of them, make any kind of photocopies, anything of that nature, and he's not allowed to disseminate them on social media. But more to the point, he is not allowed basically to talk about key figures or evidence in this case, witnesses, the judge, all kinds of things that he's not allowed to talk about on social media, be it Truth Social, Facebook, Twitter, whatever platform he chooses. Now, this is akin to laying a steak in front of a dog and saying, now don't eat it. Everybody knows that Trump has a very, very tough time not expressing his feelings, not especially when he thinks he's being railroaded, to not talk about it. This is a very tough thing for him. So how can he possibly do this? Here's where it gets interesting. This is an official order from the court. So conceivably, if the former president were to violate this order, he could be held in contempt of court. Being held in contempt of court could result in him going to jail now, before this trial ever happens. The judge could say you're in contempt, 30 days in jail. It can happen that quickly, and there's nothing anybody can do about it. So this is a very, very dangerous ground for the former president. Unfortunately, it is a huge victory for Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg and his team. Trump has to be smarting about it right now, but he can't even really respond to it on social media if he is angry. You know, I'm a big believer in freedom of speech, and threatening people with jail time, with a gag order, to me is unconstitutional in my opinion. I think all gag orders are unconstitutional, and I know there's a lot of constitutional scholars and a lot of constitutional attorneys who agree with me on that. We have a freedom of speech, a First Amendment in this country, and it just got taken away from President Trump. Now, sensitive information, addresses, photographs, I understand that, but this goes well beyond that, and that's where we're getting into dangerous territory. It's a sad day for Trump, and it's a sad day, I think, for justice. Folks, again, I'm Carmine Sabia. This is Explain America. Please make sure you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe. It really helps us out, even when we're reporting sad news like this. But that's okay, because, you know, Trump can still win this case. He just has to avoid doing what this gag order says he can't do. Until next time, folks, we love you guys. God bless you. Take care, everybody.